Hey guys, I'm the Creative Gem, back with another video, and today I'm going to show you what my bedroom looked like back in the day. I basically want to show you guys what started it all, what started my interior design career, how I got interested in it, and basically it starts right here. It starts right here with my bedroom themes. I'm going to show you 3 different bedroom themes. I'm going to show you my butterfly theme, my rainbow theme, my beach theme. So I'm going to talk about the photos, tell you about my inspiration for this particular theme, and why I decorated it that way. I can kind of remember, since it's been, they're pretty old, but I pretty much decorate kind of the same way, like having focal point, same color scheme, all that jazz. I'm going to show you the good, bad, and the ugly. But yeah, I'm going to show you what started it all. So without further ado, let's get started. Hey guys, so welcome to episode 2 of me reacting to my old bedroom pics. Last week's episode, I showed you my butterfly theme. It was cute, kind of teeny boppy, definitely a throwback, but also kind of gave off some grandma vibes a little bit. I also questioned some of my design choices and trying to figure out what my intentions were. But overall, it definitely brought back some good memories. And if you want to see the whole video, the link is in the bio. Alright guys, so now it's time to show you the rainbow theme. Alright, so this is the rainbow theme. I remember I did so many versions of this one, but it was always just really bright and vibrant. Actually, I remember my friends came over, they said it was too vibrant. It was a little overpowering, and I'm gonna show you why. But before I get into that, I'm gonna tell you my inspiration for it, which I believe is this fluffy rug. And in the previous video, I showed how I used the hot pink rug over like my little table to make like a seating area. So yeah, back then I was obsessed with those rugs, and I got every single color. So here, since I got every single color, I was like, why not use every single color at once? And that's pretty much how I came up with my rainbow theme. Alright, so first we're going to start off with my lovely bed. And the comforter on my bed, this was huge back in the early 2000s, 99. This was huge. They had curtains for this, they had pillows, they had everything to match. And I knew when I saw it I had to get it, but I wasn't quite sure how I was going to use it. But then, like I said, I got the rugs and it was a rainbow theme, so I said, why not use this bright and vibrant comforter with it? I remember I also bought some fabric that had glitter in it that was the same pattern as my comforter, and I was supposed to make curtains out of it and bed pillows. And unfortunately, I never did that because I wasn't the best at sewing, but it would have been really cool if I ended up making those pillowcases and curtains though. But anyway, this setup is nice. I'm not quite sure what the tiger has to do with it. I think I chose, because actually, fun fact, that is not a pillowcase, it's actually a shirt, and it was like you could touch the lion and it was kind of like soft and velvety. So I put the shirt over a pillow and then I made like a fake pillowcase. But I think I did that because the orange matched the daisies, so I guess I was trying to stay in the same color scheme. It's very bright, it's very eye-catching, and I think I was trying to make my bed the main focal point instead of that little area over there, which is, where I had the seating area in my previous video. So I think I wanted, the bed to be like the center point of the room. And here is another picture of the same comforter. This is, remember I said I do the themes sometimes a couple different times, or I would do it back to back. So this is another version of it. It seems like I was rushing. It looks like I was rushing to take the picture because it's not as kept. Like the comforter is not tucked in, the pillows are a little messy. But I guess I just took the picture. Most likely I took the picture because I wanted to do the next theme, and I just took the picture just to take the picture and just hurry up and get it over with. So there's another perspective of the bed. It looks like it's around Christmas time. I think I had this around fall. I would start the daisies around fall, even though daisies are more of a spring summertime theme. I wanted to keep some kind of warmth in my room, or the feeling of warmth during the winter times. So I believe I did this during October and then just continued into the winter time. So here's my little table area in front of my bed. This is where I used to do my homework. I used to draw, I used to do all sorts of stuff right there. Like I said, I did different versions of this bedroom theme, so this area right here may not match the pictures. And the picture that I do have of the original one, it's a little blurry, so I had to go with this one instead. And here are the rainbow rugs again. I must have took this picture the same day I didn't make up my bed, because it's looking a little sloppy here too as well. So this is the entryway to my bedroom. I have some posters from American Girl, of course, a calendar, and also some personal photos. So here's some photos of that unit on the left hand side. And once again, I am decorating in threes and using the fluffy rugs. So here I'm using the green one. Here I'm using the pink one, and then the other one probably has the pink or green one as well. I also like to reuse or recycle some of my decor. So right here I used some of the same decor in the butterfly theme. You can see the two jars on the top, the one that has the knitted headband and the one that has like the Easter egg stuffing. I reused that once again. So right there is an orange rug. It's probably the same orange rug that was cropped out earlier with that picture. But then right here I have like my little makeshift seating area. I have my stuffed animals, and it seems like I put a Doctor Who scarf on, a colorful Doctor Who scarf on my stuffed animal. But yeah, I wanted a cute little sitting area in the corner, so I just used my foldable lawn chair to make that happen. So here are some photos of me concealing my drunky drawers. Back then, I used bandanas. I used bandanas like crazy, and I loved bandanas. I love wearing them with different hairstyles. And of course, I had every single color. So since I had every single color, why not use my bandanas in my rainbow theme as well? I have to admit, this was a pretty creative idea, using the bandanas to not only conceal the clutter, but also add some dabs of color into my room. But I did that without painting the containers. So I have to admit, this was actually a good and creative idea. Alright guys, so that concludes episode 2 of me reacting to my old bedroom pics. Episode 3 will be uploaded next week, and to be notified, make sure you hit that bell notification down there. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, guys. Comment down below if you want to see more videos like this. But until then, see you later.